Presenting a pre-owned 2008 BMW 535xi all-wheel drive Sport. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.